Hi everyone, this video is a continuation of my clear planner setup. In my previous video, I showed how I cut out my name using the Cricut Explorer Air on this holographic vinyl that I attached to the cover. So I'll link that, just click on the letter I, and if you want to know how to do that with your own machine, that will be a tutorial that will show you how. Or I also have a file available on my Etsy and I can custom create one of these for you and mail it out to you. So today I'm just going to show the planner setup, and after this flip through there'll be detailed information on where to buy all the products that I used inside of this setup. So the first thing that really makes this binder look really cute is my new Pen Gems pen. So they have an Etsy store and they are known as the pen with the gem on the top, and they have like this ombre pen that is so pretty. So their collection right now, all of these are always limited edition, so I don't know how long they're going to have these in stock, but this is the one that I got, and I also bought a blue one. They also have pink and purple right now, but this one matched this planner setup very well, so this is the one I chose to get. Now in here, the first page you'll see is this little llama or alpaca. Now that I found from an Etsy shop, so I will link that Etsy shop below. It's a digital image, so all I did was print it out and then I laminated it. So I laminated it by itself and punched out the holes with this Rapesco hole punch. I have it on the pocket setting and that works perfect for this planner. This I found on Amazon, so I'll link that below as well. This doily is actually from Martha Stewart. I found this at Michael's. You can also get it at michaels.com. I did find it online and I'll show an image of that in a minute. All I did with this was fold it in half. I did not laminate it or add any thickness to it. I just folded it in half and punched some holes. This vellum is a printable vellum that I found at Staples. It had really good reviews as far as being a very good vellum to use your inkjet printer on. And so the same lady who made the little alpaca, the matching digital file, I printed out on vellum. Then I just cut those down to size, and with this little magnet, this came in a set of 4 from Michael's, from Recollections. I just clipped this right here. I just clipped that right there, and it holds all 3 pieces together so that when I do open my planner, it just automatically flips to the first page. These inserts are from Peanuts Planner Co. And this is the July, I'm sorry, it comes in blank. And I'll link the name of this form down below, as well as show you some more images of it after this flip through. What I love about this one is when you actually have your full layout, it goes all the way from side to side. So here's August, and I've numbered all my days there. It has a daily tracker that goes from the first day of the month all the way to the 31st. So there's certain things I can track. And then for this list right here, which is 1 through 31, I just put the important events that I already have right there, and then I'm going to use some dots to mark those dates over here, or I'll highlight them with my Tombow marker to match, to do some color coding on this side. This is more just like a running list of things I can do, keep track of for the month, and then I just put one of the stickers also from Recollections right there. So it's really fun, really cute. And then I just clipped another one of those magnets that I got from the same kit with this one from Recollections, just to hold the next month out of the way. I will have these month stickers available on my Etsy store as well. This is from an adhesive foil vinyl. I don't know if you can see the shine, but this is what it looks like. It's from Cricut, and it's really shiny and really pretty. It shows better this way than it does from the lighting right here at the moment. So then I flip over to the Today, which this bookmark comes with the planner. And over here I have another piece that I laminated, and all I did was put in some mylar sheeting. This is actually gift wrap from Hobby Lobby, and I cut a little piece of it, put one of those die cuts from this same little kit, and laminated them all together and then punched some holes. This is some more vellum, and I printed it from that digital kit off of Etsy. And then I really liked this layout from Peanuts Planner Co. as well. I put a little sticker here from Recollections. It comes with 3 sheets, and then this does the same thing. It flips out just like this. So here's some more little stickers from Recollections, and these I made, again, I cut it out from the same film here, and if you would like those same numbers, I will make them available on my Etsy as well. And so those are just the days of the week, and then I also did it over here. So again, you'll be able to flip it out, and you can use this as well as this side. I just love flip outs, especially in little bitty planners like this one, because there's so little room. It has plenty of thickness for what I need. I just need a little bit more paper space to put all my things in here. Now this little bow I got from Claire's, and all I did was take the little hair clip off of it, and I used some Gorilla Glue and a paper clip, and I let it dry for 24 hours, and it makes a nice solid clip that you can put in your planner. This is an Ollie Clip, so cute. They came in a pack of 2 from their website, so I'll put that link below as well. And these I'm actually going to be making clear dividers with names on them. I haven't quite figured out what I want to make those names yet, so all I did was make the 3 dividers. They're all the same size. They stick out a little bit. I didn't make the notches yet because I don't know how long of a name I'm going to put on there, but also since they're clear, I may just leave them completely straight because I'll be able to see the next one through it since they're all clear. So that I just clipped the vellum piece that I had printed behind it along with the Ollie Clip, and then I can just slide a Project Life card or a little post-it note or something else that I might have. The Ollie clip is just a strong magnetic clip that I can attach more stuff to the front of this little dashboard if I wanted to. Content Planner, this insert is also from Peanuts Planner Co. This is another one of those. I just laminated a piece of that mylar along with one of the die cuts. This is another piece of vellum that I had printed, and then here's some more of those little dashboards I made. This is just running the laminating sheet straight through the laminator without anything in it, and it makes a nice clear sheet. I believe this holographic not chipboard, but cardstock is from Michael's. I think it was $2 and I used the 50% off, so it was $1. And I think I'm going to put a vinyl phrase on this, and I'll show that one once I finish it. So I cut out a couple of those to put some vinyl phrases on. Another one of those. This vellum I think was from Michael's as well. They have it as a vellum, they have it as a shiny paper, and then they have it as just a regular designer paper. These are some Tomoe River paper. I just cut them to fit and punched holes in them. They are super, super thin. That's why I like them. They're like Bible pages, or if you've ever used the Hobonichi, it's super thin. So pen doesn't go through them, but it doesn't add a ton of bulk to my planner. This little clip I got from an Etsy seller as well. It's just wrapping some tulle, but I'd never seen this specific coloration of tulle, and it matched great, so I picked that up from her. This is also from Recollections. It was around the same area where I found all those little llama clips. It actually looked like this, but what I did was I cut it in half. It's meant for like a traveler's notebook pocket style from Recollections, but I just cut it in half, and that way I have a place to store receipts and other things that I might be picking up along the way. So I have 2 pockets right there, and it's foiled on the background, so it makes a great background for when I do close it. I have some shimmer on the back as well. So that's my quick little flip through. You can see I still have plenty of room to add those inserts. The monthlies that I've printed so far go through December, so that's going to be my goal with this one, is to try to use it at least through the end of this year. Graphic Adventure can be found on Etsy. I downloaded this digital paper kit called Llama from this particular seller, and I'll link this below. I printed these papers on Vellum from Staples. This one works on inkjet or laser printers. I also printed off this other clip art set from her that has the 2 alpacas or llamas as well as the cactus. Imported those into my Cricut design software, and then printed them out and then laminated them with my Scotch laminator. I also used some Mylar, this is gift wrap from Hobby Lobby, and laminated that in between. The Tomoe River paper is very thin, so you can fit a lot of sheets in your planner. This was on Amazon. And then these are the Martha Stewart iridescent doilies. You can find them in store at Michael's or online. Peanuts Planner Co. are the inserts that I'm using. My weekly inserts are this one, the DR106, and my monthlies are the DR103 with the running lists on both sides and flip outs. The stickers that I'm using are from Recollections. The magnets come in a set of 4, and then the stickers, there's 3 sheets in this one particular package, and then the Traveler's Notebook pocket folder, I cut that in half and put it in the back. This is the little pouch that I found at Target. It's in the dollar spot area. I liked it because it says the word hello on here. They have another one that's pink, but the phrase on it was a little too tacky for me, so I went ahead and settled for the yellow, even though I prefer pink. But you can see this fits perfectly in here, so I don't have to worry about my little bow or anything getting messed up in my purse. I just zip it up in this back pocket, and it's the only thing that stays in there, along with the pen. But then in this front zipper, I'm able to carry all my extra little stickers. So I had this little paper clip made from an Etsy store. I have those extra stickers from Recollections that I was talking about. There's actually 3 sheets of those, and they all have that little gold foiling. This is the one that I made from the blue vinyl, and these are a lot of the numbers that I've already pulled out, and I have some more months of August in there. I have a couple of Muji pens. These are the colors that I'm currently writing in. And then I made a couple of clips. What I did with these was, these are the same little die cuts from that these are the same die cuts from that same Etsy store, and I just made 2 copies, and then I laminated them and I glued them together so that the back would hide the paper clip. And I let those sit for 24 hours, and they came out really cute as well. This is some washi tape from Recollections, and I just tied it together and knotted it, and now I have another little clip if I want for my planner as well. So there's all kinds of little things you can play with to kind of match your kit, and this is nice and petite, so it fits in my purse great, and I hope you enjoy using your pocket planner just like I'm enjoying mine. So if you plan to set up a little pocket planner, whether it be the clear one or the holographic, also from Amazon, you can find one on my link that I'll list below. And let me know if you set one up. I'd love to see your video as well, and what things you decided to add to yours. So if you love these little pocket planners, please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.